Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 272. So if you are experiencing this kind of error on your Roblox, you have an easy method on how you can fix that one. So first, go ahead to Google Chrome and then open the three dots right here and then click on More Tools and then go to Extension. Now here you need to make sure that all of the extensions related to Roblox are all removed. Like this one, I have a extension right here for Roblox. So all I need to do is toggle it off, or maybe I can remove this extension right here. So click this remove button right here and then click again this remove button. Now you can try to reopen your Roblox on home. Now, if nothing happens, the second method you're going to do is go back to the home screen of your computer and you need to find the network and Wi-Fi connection of your laptop or computer. So as you can see right here, network and internet, you need to make sure that you are connected in a correct internet connection, that you have that speed to connect on your Roblox. Then the third method that you're going to do is simply uninstall and reinstall your application. So go to your settings and click these apps right here and then click on that installed apps. Now right here you will find all the application on your computer. So just go in this box and type right here Roblox and then click these three dots right here, which is the Roblox player, and you need to uninstall this Roblox player. Then after that, you can restart your computer. So once you restart your computer, go back to your Google Chrome or open your new tab on Google Chrome and then find the game that you want to play in. So for example, this one, and then you need to click on that green button to play. And then right here, as you can see, you will find the message, download and install Roblox. So you just go right here and follow all these four methods, four steps right here on how you can download your Roblox player. Now, if all of these methods are not working, so all you need to do is go to Microsoft Store and go right here on the search box. And here, you just download the official application on Roblox on your computer and try and play your favorite game. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.